Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm doing a really cute review on the new Kylie Stormi collection. She dropped this on Stormi's birthday, which I thought was really cute, and she gave us all mini items. I don't know if she's ever released a collection where they were all mini. So this time around it was much more affordable. I believe the palette was like $28. The lip kits were $12, and I have the packaging here. So cute with all the butterflies on it. It was really pretty and soft. I'm just using my Marc Jacobs coconut primer to prime my lid. You guys already know I love my MAC paint pot, but I really want to see the color payoff of these colors. How cute is this palette? It came with 9 shades. I think 4 of them are shimmers. I'm going to pick up the shade Perfect Storm, this like neutral brown right here for my crease. Purple is definitely in and spring is coming, so you can create some really pretty looks with like purple shades, lavender. Next, I'm picking up this charcoal shade. It's called Forever Thing. I'm gonna use this to create like a soft crease. So I'm bringing this all the way in towards the front. So as you guys can see, the matte shades blended in really good. I didn't have a problem with like patchiness or the color not showing up good. We have 4 shimmers here. Stormy Weather, so cute. That is such a cute name. Definitely cute for like spring and summer. I think this would be so cute if you mix this with like a gloss over the eye. The next one is Butterfly Babe, and this is a light pink. I've really been into pinks lately, so I really like this. This one is $4.43. This is like a lighter champagne. And the last one is Stormi World. I think this might be the one that we're going to use on the lid. I'm going to go into the shade Love Without Limits. And I'm taking that purple down towards the inner corner just a little. I'm spraying her setting spray on a 239 brush. So I'm picking up Stormi World. I really like that it shows up as more of like a lavender, a softer purple. For my lash line, I'm going to mix 2 shades, this lighter neutral and the purple that we used. Wow, I hope you guys can see how bright this is. It's almost like a metallic. I'm using her highlighter in the shade Champagne Showers. I like this one because it's more of a creamy highlighter. It's not like super powdery. So if you have dry skin, you definitely can use this. For my blush, I'm going to use the shade Santa's Wifey. I had to get the Stormi Lip Kit. I thought this was the cutest one. And like I told you guys, it's mini, so it's much smaller than her usual one. I like that it's warm. If it's warm, that means I can kind of get away with it. And then here is the liquid lipstick. Really pretty. I would even just use the liner as like a lip color and just fill my whole lips in. I think that would be cute too. Here's just the liner. But you guys already know I'm a gloss lover, so I'm going to add just a little bit of her clear gloss. Okay, and here it is with just a little bit of her clear high gloss on top. This is definitely how I would wear it. And we also have what I'm most excited about, her mini high glosses. Some of you already know how I feel about her high glosses. I love them, like love them. Packaging is super cute, going with the theme, butterflies all over it, and the high gloss did come with 6 minis. The first one I'm going to show you guys is called Baby Love. It's just like a neutral pink. I do see a little bit of a pink tint, but you guys already know her high glosses are going to give you shine, like super high shine. That's why I love them. They're really glossy. Okay, here's our first shade, Baby Love. This one is just like a soft pink, super glossy. So it's still the same super high gloss shimmer as the original ones. It has a lot of different shimmers in it. It's like iridescent. You guys can see it's like icy blue. It has some green in here. I feel like this would be a cute going out gloss, like to put on top of another shade. This one is called Deepest Love. It looks like a cherry shade. Here's what it looks like on the back of my hand. It looks more of like a hot pink than a red. Ooh, I like this one. This is definitely giving you more color than the other ones. It's kind of like a cherry and a hot pink mixed together. It kind of reminds me of like the gloss back in the day. You guys remember the cherry gloss that had like the roller ball on top and you would just roll it on? But the color of this one is really pretty. Yeah, I definitely like this one. Little Sunshine is like a light peach nude. It has a little bit of gold shimmer in it. I love how these glosses smell. They smell so good. Okay, here's Little Sunshine. I really like this one too. This one is definitely more toned down, just like a natural gloss. This is so glossy. Like, I love these glosses. I love how glossy they are. And we have our last gloss here, and it's this like light lavender. So you can see just a little hint of purple in it. So here's the finished result. I really like how it turned out with this like purple shimmer smoky eye. I'm definitely going to be using these purple and pinks for spring. Valentine's Day is coming up as well. Don't forget that it is restocking. So if you guys like this palette and you want to get it, check back on her website. So for all my more natural, lighter makeup wearers, I definitely think you would like this collection. If you guys like this video and review on the new Kylie Stormi collection, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I thought it was absolutely adorable. I love how soft it was. I'm definitely going to be reusing this again. I'm going to pick up this middle soft shade for my crease. I'm just applying this right to the very outer corner. And working this in towards my inner crease. You guys know the soft matte trend is really popular right now, so colors like this would definitely fall into that category. Going into the number 4 palette, I'm gonna go into this hot pink shade.